Sonnet 3 can connect wirelessly to certain mobile devices to stream audio. To do this, you first need to pair Sonnet 3 with your mobile device. You only need to pair each audio processor once. To begin, make sure your Sonnet 3 processors are switched off. Place your Sonnet 3s within 3 centimeters of your phone. Then, switch your Sonnet 3s back on. Switch on Bluetooth on your phone. Then select Accessibility and then Hearing Devices. Scan for devices. Your phone should show your Sonnet 3s. Select the devices to start pairing. If they fail to pair, move your Sonnet 3s closer to your phone and try again.